Well, as you can see, this is an awesome Queensland weather at night time. Standing on my balcony, this is the weather. Look at the lightning. It's just constant. Wow. Never seen weather like this anywhere in the world but here. This is just unbelievable. Standing on my balcony. As you can see, the wife there. This is awesome weather. Jesus Christ. Constant lightning, non-stop. Not one strike, not two, not three, but constant. It's been like this for about 20 minutes now. Well, are we being invaded by aliens? What is going on with our weather pattern? Have you seen anything like this anywhere else in the world? Anywhere? There's just something about this. Look at it. Wow. As you can see, it hasn't given it a rest. There's storms and then there's storms and then there's storms. And as you can hear, there's no thunder, there's no rain. It's very dry here. You've just got all this cloud, black cloud it is, very, very black. And all you see is this. Where's the thunder?